Okay, okay, guys, this is Jimdel-Edu. This is we're working with shopping cart paper with shopping cart with paper built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, and this is where we left in part two, and now working on part three. And I want to say thank you, all of you, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. Okay, this is part three, and this is where we left. This is a style.css. Okay, and let me show you. This is okay. I'm going to remember I told you we are going to fix this slider and make it work perfectly. And let me show you the original. This is the original website. Okay, as you can see, we have more animation here, and then here it kind of different. Let me refresh it. You can see how it works. Okay, this is part three. As you can see, it's not working right. And if you check this one out, you see. Okay, and then also we have the social media. We have a social media icon. We will fix it. Okay, and the shopping cart icon here, and the social media icon here. Okay, we don't have it here, as you can see. Take a look over here, and then we don't have it here. Okay, let's go back to our code. Open your code editor. Remember where we left. And okay, for CSS here. Okay, now let me show you something quick here. Now let's see if we can get our social media icon like this one. Okay, and now what I'm going to do, remember I told you I'm going to add a folder called font. Okay, and let me paste it here, and I'm going to put it in the description. You will get access to it, and you will go can click on more, go to the description and click on more, and then you will see that folder, and download it and put it inside of your main folder. Okay, let me paste it here. Okay, as you can see, I have fonts. Okay, let me click on it, and then you can see I have all of these files inside of it. So I will put it in the description. Go there and download it, put inside of your main folder. Okay, now let's go back to our code editor. Also, I'm going to fill this, as you can see, the size of our slider. I want it 100% to fill it up. Okay, you can see it started from here, here, here. We want the full size. Okay, let's get started. This is our this is where we left our CSS. Okay, now I want you to go back. Is our font folder. Okay, I want you to go back to index.html right here. Click on it, and we did not add any code for remember my underscore navigation layout grid. I want you to copy this one. I copy this one and go back to style.css, and because we have, remember, we have ID here, we have ID. This is why we have to put a pound sign like this and paste it. Paste this one here. Let's add some code. Let me make this bigger for you. Okay. First thing I'm going to say, because for the navigation, let me show you something. I want to fill this out because we got it only. This is the frame. I want to make it fill. Okay, 100%. Okay, now I'm going to say clear. Okay, clear both, and my position should be right here. Also position sticker, and top, no, next line, top 0. For my Z index, I need there's the number 7776. Also for my table layout, I want it to be fixed. And then also I'm going to display table. I'm going to put my text not overflow, text align. I want it to center. And for my width, okay, I want it 100%. Let me show you. Let me go back again. And here you can see the shape, okay, but I want it to fill all the way. Okay, now let's go back. That's why I put a 100%. And at my background color, put 1, and for my background image put none. Also for my border, my border should be 0 pixel. Solid is my color, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and I want for my box sizing, it should be border box, and also my margin should be 0. Okay, now can go to File, Save All, and go back to our browser, refresh it. Okay, now let's. Okay, as you can see, now we get the social icon because I add the folder called font. Now you can see I got the before. No, now I got this is Facebook, Twitter, and so on. You can add more if you want. Also, this is the icon for the shopping cart right here. Okay, let's go back. Add more code. Okay. Next, remember, I told you this is part 3, and I'm going to put more animation like this one. Okay, this is really cool. Okay, let's go back to our code, and I want you to let's make some changes. I want you to go back to. I'm looking for my welcome layout grid. I'm looking for my welcome layout grid. Or I can do it this way. Control F. When you do Control F here, and let me do it this way. We say my underscore, okay, welcome layout. Okay, this is it. I found it. Let me remove it. Oh, okay. Let me put it back. My welcome layout grid. Okay, it's right here. Okay, my welcome layout grid. Now, to fix this part, let me show you. And then because I want the background color to fill this out, okay, and I'm going to change. This is on line 242 for me. I don't know for you. This is where I find my welcome layout grid. Here we have background color 6F, and I'm going to change it to. Let me show you. I'm going to change it to F like this, F4, F5, and F9. Okay. Change this one and go to File, Save All, go back to our browser, refresh the page. As you can see, it filled it up. Okay, right here. It filled it up. Okay, right here. Okay, let's go back now. And next, I want you to, I'm looking for something else that because we are going to fix now. That's we're fixing, by the way, we're fixing the everything, the slider, make it work properly. Remember, I told you. And now I'm looking for navigation menu. I'm looking for navigation menu, and I'm looking for navigation menu. I'm looking for navigation menu. Okay, here's my navigation menu where we got content. Navigation menu content. Here's my navigation menu. There's one that has content. Okay, let me put it here to see. Navigation. Yes, navigation menu li. This is the one we're looking for. Yes, okay. Navigation menu li. This is we should find one that's a menu in it. Maybe we did not add it. Yeah, menu li plus. Okay, this is it right here. Then that's a before. Line 455 or 455 right here. Navigation menu li plus li before. Okay, this line here we forgot to put. Okay, follow me. Let me increase this so that you can see what I'm doing. Put this bar here and then close the double quote. Okay, I want you to put it this way. Okay, before, this is the way. Okay, it was before like this. Now put this. You put click on shift. Okay, this is how you put it. Let me show you. Press shift and backslash. Okay, inside of this double quote, you press shift and then click on backslash on top of the OK key. Okay, and then you got it. Now you can save all. Okay, let's continue because we can go back to our browser and refresh it. Okay, now probably get an idea. Okay, let's continue. I'm looking for my header icon one right here. Is what we just fixed. We fixed this one. Okay, navigation menu li plus li before, and then go scroll down a little bit, find this line of code, my header icon one here. Okay, my header icon one, and I want to add something here. Line 466. I want you to add something here. Before, because we have text align center. Okay, after text align center, click on go to the next line and put a margin like this. Okay, margin 5 pixel, 10 pixel, 0 pixel, and another 0 pixel like this. Okay, and go to file, save all, and go back to our browser, refresh the page. All right, let's let continue. Or what I can do it this way for you. Or what I can do do it this way so that you can see what I'm doing clearly. Okay, let me minimize this like this. Okay, now I think it's good now. Okay, let's continue. I'm looking for, after adding this line of code here, scroll down and go to header icon 1i right here, this line of code. Okay, 484, line 484, and I want you to change the width here we have width of 10 pixel. I want you to put 17 instead of 10. Remove 0, add 7. Now we have the width 17 pixel, and then go here, save all, and refresh the page. Okay. Now next, I'm looking for my header icon 2 right here. I'm looking for my my header icon 2. Yes, my header icon 2. Like this is icon 1. We change this to header icon 1. Yes, header icon 1 with from 10 to 17. My header icon 1. Here's my header icon. We can change. Okay, let me change. We can leave it as 10. Okay, width, the width should be 10 instead of 17. Let's change it back. Okay, let's keep it 10. Okay, header icon 1 okay, let's put it back to 10 with 10 pixel. Okay, now I'm looking for header icon 2. This is header icon 2 okay, this is scroll down. This is header icon 2 okay. Now the width, now let's change it to 17 instead of 10. 17 with 17 pixel. Okay, and next thing, okay, header icon 2, we change it. Okay, now next thing, I'm looking for my welcome. Okay, here, okay, here's my welcome. Okay, okay, this is my welcome carousel. Here we have the background and so on. Okay, box. Okay, here, this line of code, it's okay. This is fine. Let's save everything. We just made this change. Save it. Okay, refresh the page. Next I'm looking for. Okay, next I'm looking for welcome carousel inner after. I want you to scroll down, not this line. Welcome, this welcome carousel here. Okay, let's scroll down. Okay, this line 564. This line of code. Find this line of code. I want you to find this line of code 564 and welcome carousel inner after. Okay, right here. Go to content. Okay, right here. We need to close this double quote. Okay, let's close this double quote. Just close it and go to file, save all, and refresh the page. Okay, let's continue. I'm looking for something else. Again, scroll down. I want you to scroll down. Let me do this for you. Okay, or I can do this. Yeah, let's scroll down. I'm looking for welcome carousel in where we have item. Okay, right here, 570. This line of code, 570. Find this block of code. Okay, I'm going to add a few line of code here. Okay, because after we have a transform style preserve 3D. Okay, transform style preserve 3D. I want you to go to the next line or go on top of it. This is the line I'm added. I added this line of code. Follow me. Let's add this line of code. WebKit like this. Okay. Put WebKit and transform. Put WebKit transform style like this, and put preserve 3D. We have two. Is the first one, and I just added this one. Okay. Okay, next I want you to click find this line WebKit transition opacity opacity 500 millisecond is in out. Go to the next line after that. I want you to put transition like this, transition, and put opacity, okay, space, 500 millisecond. Okay, put this line of code after that. That means we have two different one. Okay, we have two. Okay, and save everything. Go to, I want you to go, okay, go to File, Save All, and then refresh it here. Okay, next I'm looking for something else. Go to where we have animation, okay, scroll down. This is animation here. Let me explain this, put this smaller for you so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, now here's animation right here, okay, and I'm looking for the one that's okay, this is 608 for me, line 608. I'm looking, okay, let me find the right one. Yes, I said both here, no, not 608. I'm looking for this line of code that's okay, fine. This is this block of code right here, okay, 619. Let me increase this. This is a 619. Welcome cursor in, and then and so on. This block of code, item right here, and let me fix that. Okay, let me fix that for you. Here we have animation. Welcome. Okay. Instead of I want you to follow me. Instead of hide, because here we have show. Let me increase this for you so that you can see. Here we have show. Here we have show. Okay. We have show, and then here we have supposed. Okay, I want you to remove hide and then put show. Okay, remove hide and put show like this. Okay, let me increase. Okay, let me make this bigger for you. Instead of hide, let me show you. Instead of hide like this, put show. Okay, line 619. This block of code. Let me make it smaller so that you can see. Okay, this is animation. First block of code. First, second, third, fourth, okay, and fifth block of code after animation here. This is where we comment this. Okay, this is where we put show, and then hide. This is okay. Now let's continue, and then go next after that. And here, welcome cursor indicators. This is where it says cursor indicators here. Find this block of code. Let me increase this. This is a 629 for me. I don't know for you. And now here we have left 50 pixel. Okay. Here we have left 50 pixel. Instead of 50 pixel, we're supposed to get 50%. This is a 50% right here. Put a percentage sign. Okay, not 50 pixel, but 50%. Okay, this is where I put 50% right here. And go here, go to File, Save All. And let's go back to our browser and refresh the page. We will not see something there, we're working on it. Okay, and let let's continue. Let me do it this way, like this. Okay, now I'm looking for something else. I'm looking for good. Okay, this is we just added 50% right here, and then scroll down to the next block of code here, this block of code. Now I want you to add, let me go, let me do it this way. Let me show you. Okay, I want you to add something for me. Next, after border 1 pixel solid, this is after this color, after this line of code, I want you to go to the next line and add a WebKit. Okay, like this. Put a transform. Okay, and we have scale. Parentheses, put 0.4 like this. And go to the next line, put a transform, scale, and put 0.4 again. Now add these 2 lines of code here and save. Go to file, save all, go here, refresh the page. Okay, now let's continue. I'm looking for something else. Okay, I'm looking for something else to see. Okay, now find where it says let me okay, scroll down. I want you to scroll down after this is the picture where it says welcome right here, carousel animation show, and scroll down a little bit. Find the last keyframe. Okay, this is the last keyframe. 1, 2, 3, we got 4 keyframes. Okay, this is the last one, and inside of the transform translate X, I want you to put a negative sign in front of it. Okay, I put a negative sign. Before it was like this, put a negative sign here, and go to file, save all. Okay, let's continue. Now go scroll down this line of code, find my welcome text 1 next after that. Okay, my welcome text 1. Now after my welcome text 1, okay, and after WebKit, after this line of code, the one that said WebKit animation slide left in and so on, go next after this line of code. Let's add something. We forgot to add animation slide, okay, like this, left in space. This is 1000 millisecond. This is a linear 100 millisecond space. Add this line of code, no more, both like this, semicolon. And go here, go to file, save all, go here and refresh the page. Okay, yeah, let's continue. And I'm looking for scroll down. I want you to scroll down. Okay, find my welcome text 2. This is my welcome text 1, and this is my welcome text 2. 753, this line of code. That's for me. And here, scroll down again. This is it, not this one, not my welcome text 2. Find this one, okay? The one that's a color first. And font size here, because 767 line of code, line 767 for me. The one that says font size 21 pixel, let's change this to 27. Okay, instead of 21, put 7. Now we got font size 27. Go to file, save all, and go here, refresh the page. Okay, and let's continue. Try to fix that part. Okay. Do we have, let's see, do we have something else to fix. Okay, I want you to scroll down all the way down, find welcome button 3. Welcome button 3, scroll down. I want you to scroll down. We're looking for welcome. This is okay, now this is a welcome button 1. We're looking for button 3. Okay, now this is a welcome button 3. Okay, this is a welcome button 3. And I want you to change something here where we got border. Okay, welcome button 3. Here we have border 1 pixel solid. This is the color. I want you to change, remove 1 and put 0 here. Instead of 1, put 0. Border 0 pixel solid. This line of code, put 0 instead of 1. Okay. And go to File, Save All, and go here, refresh the page. Okay. And now this is it. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a file. Let me okay, like this. Let me move this. Okay. I'm going to create a file. This is my main folder. I'm going to create a file. Instead of my right click, new file, and I'm going to say save as. I'm going to call it product.css. Okay, save as. I call it product. Okay, product.css, and click on save. Okay, if I expand this, okay, where is it? Oh, no. Okay, yes. Product.css should be inside of the style.css. Okay, we have to delete this file. Okay. Go inside of the CSS folder. Inside of the CSS folder, right click CSS folder, make a new file, okay, and save as product.css. Save, and if you open CSS folder, okay, now we have product.css. Okay, now let's add some code because we are going to fix this, make the animation work properly. Okay, like this one, okay, as you can see, make it work better. Let me show you 1 second. It's not working the way we want it. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to say, follow me at, go here, at WebKit, like this, keyframe, animate. Now I'm going to fade in down. Okay. Okay. And to do so, I'm going to say 0%. 0% like this. Okay. Space. Let me make this bigger so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, and go here, space. I'm going to rotate this to 0 degree. Okay, go after that. Put a space and go after the semicolon. Put opacity. It's supposed to be 0 like this, and put a semicolon. Let me decrease this. You can see what I'm doing. Okay. And go to the next line. We need 100%. Do the same thing. What we can do, we can copy this inside here, copy, and paste it here. And we can fix it. Let's fix this one. We got what keep transform, translate 0 pixel. Now here the first one we got 100, the second one we should get 0 pixel. Okay, 0 pixel, and rotate 0 degree. This is fine. Opacity 1 instead of 0, put 1. Okay. Next block of code, let me say at mouse keyframes animate down. Okay, now 0 like this, and this time I'm going to use mouse. Okay. Next line. Zero. Now here you got 0 pixel, and then rotate it 0 degree, and the same thing you can copy this, okay, and paste it here. Okay. Now we got to add keyframe. Animate. Okay. What I can do, I'm going to copy these 2 lines of code and paste them here. But I'm not going to use, instead, let me do it this way. You can see what I'm doing. Okay. The first one is 0%. I'm going to use transform and say translate. Put it like this way. 100 pixel. Put it 0 degree. Okay. And go here. Opacity 0. Okay. And what I can do now, I can copy this and paste it here. Instead of 0 here, I'm going to put 1 and put a semicolon. This part is done. So everything, go here, We're not done yet. Let's continue. Can do this. Okay, now you have an idea this. Okay. Let me do this. Okay. Next, I'm going to say at WebKit. Oops. Okay. At WebKit keyframe. Now for the slide. Now I'm going to slide it down in like this. Okay. And for this reason, I'm going to say, or I can do it this way if you want. Let me keep it simple so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay. WebKit transform and translate 0 pixel 100 pixel. At this time here for WebKit keyframe, follow me guys, for keyframe here, slide down in, I'm not going to use 100 pixel, instead I'm going to use 100% right here. Okay, not pixel like this, I put percent here instead. Okay, and then I wanted to put a negative sign in front of 100% here, and we have, let's say, rotate. Now at this time I'm going to rotate 1 degree. Okay, like this, and space, go after that. Always put a space after the degree. Put a space here, put a space here. Okay, and I wanted to go here after that, put an opacity 0 like this, and put a semicolon, space, WebKit. Let me decrease, make it smaller, you can see what I'm doing. Okay, here I think it's okay now. WebKit transform origin 0 space 0, and we already got semicolon. Let me move this all the way. Okay, let me move this right here. Okay, okay, I think you see that. All right, let's go to the next line. 100%, why not? Okay, and in a space, at this time I'm going to say opacity start. I'm going to start with opacity 1 semicolon space. Zero pixel. Okay, the first one is a negative 100%, the second one is 0 pixel, and rotate this one I'm going to rotate 0 degree like this. Okay, and there's a space here, go after the semicolon. Transform origin the same thing, space 0. Okay, and let's see, opacity, okay, 1 degree, rotate 0. Okay, let's see what key transform origin. Make sure you got everything right. Okay, this is cool. 0 opacity, rotate. Okay, and 0 pixel, 1 degree. Let's see, 0 pixel. Web key transform, translate. Okay, okay, now we got, yes, we have opacity 1, web key transform. Transform. Okay, yes. Let's go here. Next block of code. Now I'm going to say at Moz keyframe slide slide down in. Now the first one was web keyframe. Okay, now I'm going to say mouse keyframe slide down in like this. Okay, and 0%. Mouse transform, translate pixel negative 100%, and here I'm going to rotate this to 1 degree. Okay, and go here, put this is my opacity 0, semicolon space, transform origin, zero space 0. Okay, now 100%, and put opacity 1, zero pixel, and 0 pixel. Rotate 0 degree. Okay, and let me see if let me increase this. I can't. Okay, let me leave it this way. Okay, I was 0 degree. I got Moz transform origin, same thing. Okay, oops, semicolon space. Now next block of code, I'm going to say at keyframe for the slide down in. Okay, now let's see if I can copy. I'm going to copy this. Okay, block of code. I copy this to save some time, and I paste it here. I'm going to see if I let me make some changes. Instead of, I got transform opacity. Which one that has transform opacity? they're not the same. This is why I'm going to put okay, I'm going to put transform here, put transform here. Okay, this is transform, translate 0, this line of code, okay, 1 degree is okay, opacity 0, transform, instead of mouse, put transform, okay, transform origin 0 0, this is okay, 100%, put opacity 1, this is fine, and let's remove mouse, keep transform here, translate 0 0, that's fine, rotate 0 degree, that's fine, and then keep it like the transform. We have transform origin 0. This is fine. Okay. Now next block of code, I'm going to say at web kit. Okay. Keyframes, slide left. Now this time I'm going to say slide left in. Okay, 0%. Got transform with transform, yes, like this. Translate at this time 100% first and 0 pixel, and go after that. Let's rotate this one to 1 degree. Opacity of 0. Transform origin. Okay. Next line. 100% opacity 1, WebKit, oops, translate, okay, parentheses, 0 pixel and 0 pixel. Also go here, space, let's rotate this one to 0 degree like this, and space, go here, kit, yeah, transform origin, the origin right here. Okay, now next block of code. Let me move this. Next block of code, after left in, we need the left in for WebKit. We need the left in for mouse. I'm going to say at, okay, mouse keyframes, slide left in like this. Okay, the same thing. Oops, 0%. Because we got mouse, transform, translate 100%. 100%. We forgot to put the here 100% here, comma 0 pixel. So we have to rotate this one 1 degree. Okay, and our opacity 0 like this. Okay, and let's go to the next line, 100%. And start with opacity 1. Translate this one to 0. Okay. We have to, let's say I'm going to rotate this one to 0 degree. And transform origin like this. Okay, now next block of code. Next block of code, I'm going to use keyframe for the at keyframe slide left in. Okay. Translate 0% and 0 pixel, and here rotate this one to 1 degree. And my opacity is 0. Transform origin, same thing. The next line. Translate this one. Okay. Rotate this one to 0 degree, and transform origin, same thing. Okay, now next block of code. Keyframe slide right. We're done with left. That I'm working with for WebKit. We should put like this. Yeah. Okay, and slide right in. Slide right in. Okay, and this is 0%. Translate this one to 100% and 0 pixel. Rotate to 1 degree. And opacity 0. start with opacity 1. Translate this one. Okay. And rotate this one to 0 degree. Should be web kit. Transform origin. Okay. Now next block of code. So now let's take a mouse. Okay. Keyframes, slide writing, rotate this one to 1 degree, and opacity of 0. Go to the next line. Okay. Let's rotate this one to 0 degree. And mouse transform origin. Let's see opacity 0 and rotate 0 degree. Okay, next block of code. At keyframe slide in, okay, and at keyframe slide writing, okay, and 0 degree. Transform this one and translate okay, opacity 0, transform origin 0, do the same thing. Go to the next line. Okay. Oops. Okay. Opacity 1. Now transform, translate. And let's rotate to 0 degree space. Now we need to transform origin. Okay, next block of code. Okay, now I'm working with H1 and H2. H1 dot H1 and the font family of Arial like this. With the font weight, okay, the font size of 32 pixel, text decoration right here, and you say none. Also I need the color. This is my color 1 0 2 3 4 5 6 and background color I need a transparent, margin 0 pixel, and my padding the same thing. Copy this and paste it here. Go to the next line. Also I want it display inline. Okay. Next block of code, I'm going to say h2 comma dot h2. Okay. Let me increase this for you. Okay, now go inside. Okay, and the font family, same thing. Font width, bold, font size 27 pixel, text decoration none, color 1 0 2 3 4 5 6, and I need the background color. Background color, where is it? Background color, transparent. Margin, you can copy these 3 lines of code. Copy this and paste it here. Okay. As we're working, we can save. Let me show you something. Save all. Go here, refresh it, expand this. Let's see what we get so far. Okay, we're waiting for the animation. Let's finish it. Okay. All right, let's continue. Something happened. We forgot to let's stop here. Let's go back to, because we're working with product.css. Let me show you. We're working with product.css, but we don't have inside of the. Let's go back to index.html. We have to add this link because we don't see any effect here. We should add a link to connect our product.css with this page. Okay, let's go here index.css, and let's go in h4. We can copy this block of code. Let's copy this block of code and paste it here. Replace 3 to 4. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some changes. Let's see. We need after font size, let's put font size 21 instead of 24. Also, after font size, go to the next line. I need a font style like this. Let's put it italic. Italic right here. Okay. And let's see, we're gonna keep it this way. Now we need H5, and let's copy this block of code and paste it here for H5. Okay, this is H5. For H5, and remove font style. Cut it out. Cut this out. And go here. Okay. And for font size, let's put it 19 instead of 21. Go to File, Save All. Now, and then we need H6. We can copy this block of code and paste it here. Let's put 6 instead of 5, like this. And let me see. And for font size, let's put 16 instead of 19. Put 16 like this, and we can keep the rest. And go to File, Save All. And this is our last block of code for part 3. And this is last. Okay. This is it. We refresh it. Now, as you can see, with the folder called font, we have the social icon here and here. And also you can see the slider. You can do this too if you want. Yeah. As you can see the animation now. It's worked properly like this one. Okay. This is the original site. Okay. This is what we're working on. Okay, guys. This is it. This is where we are going to stop for part 3. You can see the animation. This is, yeah. Okay. Yes, this is the last block of code, H6. Okay. Okay, once again, guys, I want to thank you all for coding with me. If you're not subscribed yet to my channel, please do that. Also share any comment, any errors. Let me know in the description. I will be glad to assist you. Alright, thank you. This is where we're going to stop for part 3. See you in the next one for part 4. Thank you. See you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.